Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the controller type and cable so you don't chase settings later. Plug the controller into a rear USB port or a powered hub. This ensures stable power and data. Once done, watch Windows notification area for a device recognition tone and immediate driver install. Make sure to use a data-capable cable, not a charging-only cord, because the system must enumerate the controller to expose inputs to games and configuration tools. Now you ensure the OS recognizes inputs by checking Device Manager. If a generic HID appears, Windows likely installed basic drivers. Install the manufacturer's driver or use Steam's controller support for better compatibility. This unlocks gyro, rumble, or custom mapping. After installation, calibrate in Setup USB game controllers so axes and dead zones behave predictably. Make adjustments because calibration prevents drifting and ensures your in-game movement matches physical input precisely. Finish by enabling controller input inside each game and choosing the correct API, typically X input for Xbox-style pads. This maps buttons automatically. If a game still ignores input, reconnect to a different USB port, reboot, or reinstall drivers to clear conflicts. If issues persist, test the controller on another PC to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: use Steam Big Picture or a diagnostic tool to watch live input.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.